Here I have HUAWEI P9 Plus, and let me show you how to enter HUAWEI recovery on the following phone. So first of all, let's start by holding a power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, prepare a micro USB cable connected to your PC and start holding volume up on your phone. Keep holding volume up, and while holding this key, let's connect your device by using micro USB cable. You can release volume up as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up on the screen. And as you can see, HUAWEI recovery is already in front of you. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. You may also navigate by tapping appropriate options. So, for example, you can choose here download latest version and recovery, or you can choose reboot or shut down in order to quit this mode. So let me choose reboot in my case. You can disconnect your device from your PC, and now the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.